we've just finished Meiриngspoort. Meiриngspoort.
Are we through?
We are through. That was incredible.
That was a wild ride.
I've just pulled off of the road. We've just exited Meiриngspoort and our accommodation is right here. So just at the exit of Meiриngspoort. And tomorrow morning we're going to go and explore the Rust. So we're going to stop here at our accommodation, pack off for the evening, sleep here, and then we're going to hit the Rust. Right here at Meijer's Rust. So green, eh? Check how green it is.
Oh, I love it. Please report to main house. Look at all the American signs.
Yes.
California
Wow.
1 and US 101.
Oh no, they got that. Okay, they're just busy painting our little house, but this is our accommodation.
Cool stuff.
It's brilliant though, eh? Love it. Number 1. How beautiful is this? This view. Fire pit. Wow. We are making us some stunning wors. And this wors is the wors we got at Heiseberg. How many days ago? 2 days ago?
3.
3 days ago. And we were able to keep it frozen all along. But it smells absolutely delicious. Check supper tonight. Boerewors rolls. Didn't make any onion, but we got some tomato sauce on it. But when Sonny was shaking the bottle, you know what happens when the bottle's still new and it's like stuck, and then suddenly just comes out? That's what happened to her, shame. So yeah, but we're going to enjoy this. What an awesome day we had today. Yeah, we're going to have our supper now. We're going to sit and relax for a while, and then we'll hit the sack and we'll see you in the morning.
Hardy Da is having breakfast here from the view from our stoep.
We haven't even had breakfast.
Good morning. Quite a busy morning this morning already. Farmers just asked me to come and see how they herd the cattle. And the sun is coming up. Such a beautiful morning. I'm telling you, farm life, fantastic. So I just want to go and see how they herd these cattle.
You've got your boots on, Britt. That was such fun. Got to head back to the cottage now. Got to start packing up. Going to be a little late today getting away, but I had to experience that. It was fantastic. Really loved every minute of it. Can you believe it?
No, I can't.
I loved our stay.
Well, they have to do maintenance one or other time.
Yeah, they have to, eh?
Yeah, it was beautiful. It was just brilliant. And you got to play farmer.
Yeah, I was herding cattle. Well, not me. The farmer was herding them. I was just watching. Oh boy. But amazing.
Surrounded by all these mountains.
Mountains. And yeah, by the Meiringspoort entrance.
Interesting building this, eh?
Yeah.
Love the
It's like a little
stonework.
greenhouse type thing.
Love the stonework.
Oh, beautiful. Okie
So
dokes.
now we know the American connection.
Exactly, yeah. He lived in America for 35 years, eh?
That's a lifetime.
Yeah, it is.
And more specifically, the Californian connection.
Exactly.
There's camp places here. See the frost on the grass.
Yeah, we walked through the frost this morning. He manages his fields incredibly for the grazing, eh?
So that's why the rotation.
That's why he rotates it so often. And those cattle of his look fantastic. Not that I'm the expert, but all cattle look fantastic to me, but his looks amazing. Now we're on our way to the Rust.
Yup. I hear it's a beautiful little village.
Yeah,
Let's go check it out.
let's go see the Rust. Bye-bye, Meijer's Rust.
Yeah, it was fantastic.
Yeah. There in the distance, I think that's the Rust.
Must be.
So here we are, it is the Rust. With all these implements.
Yeah, interesting.
The Rust
Every
welcomes
colour.
you. Welcome to the Rust, Oudtshoorn municipality. Check all the ostriches. Wow.
It's quite a bit, eh?
Yeah.
We're crossing the Klein River. Just before town, we crossed the Swartberg River.
Yeah.
I'm happy it's daytime, eh?
Definitely. Wine sales. Wow, this is a pretty little town, eh?
Very nice. Not surprising that it's quiet.
Yeah, it's
It's
extremely
early on a
quiet.
Sunday morning.
Yep.
We're only half an hour behind schedule.
due to my fault, because I was running around with the farmer in his fields with his cattle.
As long as you enjoyed it.
Grumpy goat. Maybe I should go sit there.
Sometimes you belong there. Beautiful.
This is stunning, eh? Look at this pretty house.
All of them are pretty.
Yeah. Man, oh, that is a pretty town.
Ice cold beer.
Not right now, thank you.
Okay. You're ice cold as it is.
Oh. Seems as if this might be virtually out of the town. Look at this. This is such a beautiful shot. This is now from the opposite side of the rest. We've just gone through the town, and when you enter from the opposite side,
The Oudtshoorn side, I'm sure.
I think this is the Oudtshoorn side,
Yeah.
yeah. This is so beautiful, eh?
Peaceful. Look, it was renovated, but look at the detail with the exposed bricks.
Oh, that's painted on.
Okay, well, yeah.
That is amazing.
And the skew shutters and
That's beautiful,
just
eh?
so gorgeous.
Oh, Tolbos Trading. It's really pretty, eh?
Yeah. Look here, look at the front door,
Yeah.
the detail.
And that beautiful garden in the front. It's amazing.
Fantastic.
So nice to take it so slow in the main street of town. There's hardly any cars.
Yeah, we don't often get the opportunity.
Yeah. But look at this one too.
Also a bit of exposed brick there in the front, but that seems to be from the original.
That's
They did that,
genuine. Yeah, that's genuine.
They did that on purpose. Love that type of thing.
Look at this place, eh? The Grumpy Goat. I've ended up here at the Grumpy Goat.
Maybe my daughter will get out of bed. With a laptop.
Wow.
Jug full of ice.
Mengel Muskardus.
It works.
I love the name.
Hot spot.
Yeah.
Ja, dat is ook. Het meeste iets beginnen. Pijpse dinge is dit. Altyd dat jy
I mean, parking meter. Look, where do I start? I don't even know where to start. Now, who of you can remember this telephone here? Used to be able to shock each other with it as well.
New Street, Nieuwe Straat. Discovered a little gravel road in the back of the wrist, which is quite cute.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I can just imagine this view as you come over this hill.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Valleys and mountains and hills.
It's crazy.
The
that.
whole toot.
such pretty houses here.
Well, they have everything here.
Yeah.
Lots of trees. Absolutely love it.
I never heard of the Rust until now.
No, I knew of the Rust, but
Never.
I don't know if I'm mistaking it with another place that's very cold. I thought it was the Rust, or maybe it's another town with a similar name with Rust in it. I don't know. Because I don't see snow on the mountains, but I do feel the chill in the air.
Oh, my hand knows about that.
Nice. So cute.
Look at this
restaurants.
pretty building.
Yeah. Oh, we haven't been down here. Maybe we should take a street or two down just now.
But I see the end right there. There's fences at the end. There's like a dead end. But we can. Look at the block of flats.
Yeah.
It's the hotel, Solly.
About time.
Yeah.
Love that. Yeah, look how cute this is.
Wow.
Spekbos restaurant.
That's pretty, eh?
Looks too cute. The restauranty part
Definitely.
of town.
Touristy.
Yes. Route 62. Wine shop. Oh, we've passed here before.
Yes.
This is as we enter with a pink elephant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that was the Rust. But I must say, the gentleman at Meiringpoort says that he's moved here just before lockdown in COVID 2020, and it was the best move he ever made. He came from Cape Town. He's so happy here. Okay, that's it.
So long the Rust.